Today I will show you how to fix Scoop's sound problem. So just follow and watch this video till the end. Open guys the settings of your phone, click on your apps option and search for Scoops and click. Scroll here down this list, click storage and click clear cache. And here back, click force stop and click OK. Come to Play Store or App Store, update Scoops. Restart now your phone and that's all what you have to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in another video.